Muscle Mummas for beginners, intermediate and masters. Part A begins with athletes on the floor behind their barbell or dumbbells, depending on the division. The athletes will perform times 10 clean and jerks. If using a dumbbell, only one head of the dumbbell must touch the floor. Athletes must be synchronized at the top of the jerk. On completion of 10 reps, athletes move to the rig and complete either knee raises or toes to bar. There is no minimum requirement per athlete and only one athlete can be working at a time. Athletes then move to the box jump or step overs. Beginners must step over and intermediate and masters may jump or step. Repeat this triplet until time is called. Athletes will have a compulsory 1 minute rest and only then may they begin to load their bar for Part B. Part B, beginner's version. You will be able to move to the rig at the 30-second mark, but you cannot start loading until the 1 minute rest is complete. The first athlete nominates their lift and both athletes can add the weight. Collars must be used or no lift will be called. Once the first athlete has completed their 2 RM front squat, they may choose to add weight and lift again, or their partner may lift. There are no required number of lifts and athletes may lift in any order. Weights can only be added and not subtracted, but you may have as many attempts as you like during the 5 minutes. Your score will be the total weight lifted plus your total reps from Part A. Part B for intermediate and masters. During the compulsory rest, you may organise your weights, but you cannot unload or load the barbell. Once the rest is complete, you may prepare the bar for the first athlete. You can complete the complex in any order, but you can only add weight and not subtract. You must use collars or a no lift will be called. Your score will be total weight lifted plus the number of reps completed in Part A. Muscle Mummas Advanced Version. Beginning in front of your weights, perform 10 synchronized hang kettlebell clean and jerks and barbell clean and jerks. Athletes must be at the top of the jerk at the same time. You may swap at any time, even during the 10 reps, and can change which athlete is performing which movement every round. Once complete, you move to the rig and complete 15 toes to bar. There is no minimum requirement. On your box jumps, you must jump onto the box. Repeat this triplet for 6 minutes. Part B. You will have a compulsory 1 minute rest. At the 30-second mark, you may begin organising your weights, but you cannot unload or load your bar until the minute has elapsed. Athletes may lift in any order, however, weight can only be added and not subtracted. Your score will be number of reps in Part A plus weight lifted in Part B.